Hey guys, my last video I showed you how to disable the daytime running lights on my 2015 Ford F-150, but in the process of doing so I smartly drained my battery. So what I'm going to show you in this video is how to properly charge the battery for the later models F-150. So why it's important that you charge the battery correctly, not just because you might fry something that it's expensive and you're going to have to replace, that's obvious, but also because this truck has a module called the BMS. It's the battery monitoring system. And what this module does, it protects all the other electronics in the car from a bad battery. And when you charge or recharge the battery, connecting the charger plugs to the positive and the negative terminals on the battery monitoring system is not going to learn the new charge. And what might happen is it might, even though your battery might be good, might be charged, it might just shut down a lot of things in your front cabin, right? Like the air conditioner, the heater, your stereo. So you want to do the charge correctly so you don't go through the situation of being in a very warm or very cold place without your heater, without your air conditioning. So let's go through the process. Okay, what you want to do if you have one of these battery chargers like I have, before you connect it to the electricity, you want to make the battery connection. So as always, you connect the positive first. That way, when you connect the negative, there's no risk of shorting anything on your car, on your truck. And you connect the negative to the negative mount on the body, right? In this case, you can see the negative on the truck is, the surface is painted. That's not ideal. If you were making a permanent negative connection, that would have to be an unpainted surface. But for the purpose of a slow charge of the battery, that's not a problem. That is a ground point that you can use. All right, so now that I've connected the charger plugs to the battery, I'm going to connect it to the electricity. Okay, so I want to do a slow charge. This is a lead acid battery, and my battery is not actually 90%. It's 60% charged. You're going to see. So I'm just going to select the amps here. Let's see if I can do this. So 2 amps. I want to do a slow charge, and then I'm just going to hit charge here. As you can see, my battery is at 60%. So this is probably going to take the whole night. So 7-8 hours. When I come back in the morning, let's see how that looks like. So the truck charged overnight, and it now has 100% capacity, the battery. Fantastic. And now I have a charged battery, and the DRL lights are off. This is awesome. I hope this was helpful, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section.